Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am here at my job site. Today is Thursday, August the Damn, what is today's date? All right, today is Thursday, August the 10th, 2023. Please excuse me because I'm tired, bro. I didn't get much sleep last night, but I am here at my job site. I'm just grateful to be here. Don't forget, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, man, if you have any type of future video ideas, and I guarantee you, I'll make sure it happens. Over here, I have a 10K FTMO free trial demo, okay? Down here, I have the pairs that I trade. I trade NAS 100, AU, EU, GU, and GJ. I can't place no trade until after 8 a.m. All right, the purpose of this is I'm gonna try something out. So I'm debating about going ahead and do a live trading, but not now. Obviously next week or maybe Friday, maybe tomorrow. Depends how I go about the market today. Or I may possibly do another prop firm challenge, either 10K or a 5K. No need to jump high when I've been struggling for the longest. Just to make sure I implement accepting losses, stick to my proper risk reward. Also, so you guys can actually be able to see how I trade, because I know some of you guys probably don't know exactly how I trade. You guys have an idea on how I trade on this video. This video gonna be about maybe 2 days long, maybe 3 days long. It's Thursday. I'm gonna film today. I'm gonna film tomorrow. If you like the content, like I said, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and just let me know. Engage with your boy. You did. I'm gonna see you guys after 8 o'clock. I gotta put my laptop on the charger right now too. Go ahead and drop this thing in the charger. So when I come back later, we get down to it. You did. Well, I can't lie, it's a beautiful day. There ain't no clouds in the sky. I can tell you one thing, it's hot as hell out here. But I'm sure you guys were able to see why I say it's not much work to do, and I just duck off and just pretty much do nothing for the whole day. I'm actually out here just sweeping this little mulch inside the little flower bed area to make it look like I'm doing a little bit of something. But yeah, like I was saying, man, if I pass, I'm gonna see how the day trade go when it comes to me accepting losses and my risk reward and how my psychology is. I'm gonna try placing the trade today and probably tomorrow, because I really want to take advantage of being at this job site, because eventually I'm gonna go to the hard hat zone and not be able to do the things that I'm able to do now. So it's like, in my mind, it's like, why not take advantage of the opportunity while I'm here to try to get funded? It was either that, or it was to just try to trade in the live account. Like I told myself before, I can't trade anything under $100. So yeah, it's after 8 o'clock right now. It's 8:07. I'm gonna get ready to make it to the apartment and see if I'm able to place or see a trade. And yeah, we'll go from there. Stop looking at me. This is a gym? Hey. This is the gym area. It definitely feels good in here. No doubt about it. It has not been occupied with people yet. I think we gotta do some electrical work. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, when I came in here, this shit was on like 80. I had to put it on 72. All right, so we're here. My laptop was on the charger because it needed to be charged a bit. It was halfway charged, but yeah. There go my baby. Okay. Okay, new FTM mode right here, set up, nothing traded yet. So now, let's get ready to see if we can find a scalp. You dig? All right, I see an EU potential sell right here. A rectangle tool. A supply zone right here. Bam. All right, I'm gonna go to EU on trading view. Go to a 5 minute. That's 15. 5. Yeah, I don't think this gonna even hold. It could, but I don't know. And the reason why, because above my EMA. This would have possibly been like a 2-to-1 almost. I would have went for a 2-to-1. But you already see what's going on there, so that's invalid. All right, so the reason this is here on NAS is because this is what I seen. Seen it break and retested this area right here. This is like a strong resistance. So that's why I put that there. What I'm anticipating to happen with NAS is something like continue to pull up somewhere and then continue to fall down. And then right here you have like a break of structure zone right here. Alright, so I have this break of structure. Obviously this can't happen today, this is over time. Because if you look at it, price, pay attention to market structure. All right, we got some lows. We got a low. We got a high. We got a low. We got a high. We got a low. We got a high somewhere up in this area. Price may come up here and feel this imbalance and just wick up into this zone because there's a supply right there before it continue to fall down to create a low. So basically, so what I'm saying is this: when I say it can go up, may come up and just wick into this supply zone and then possibly fall off like this. Let me move this out the way because this shit just there. But yeah, that could happen, but that's so far from now. A 30 minute, you got a lot of imbalance up there. Price may just be shooting up for right now because he has some imbalance to fill. Yeah, as of right now, not really seeing anything. Oh wait, there's the EU right here setting up. I didn't think it was gonna set up. So let me do my calculations really quick. It has to break this previous candle. That's, I'm gonna say 5 pips. 4.5 pip stop loss. Let's do it. Let's set this up real quick because if it give a candle break, I'm gonna get in. 10K account. I'm risking 100 divided by 4.5 pips. My lot size is $22.22. So what I would do here is go to $22.22. So basically what I'll be doing right now is waiting for a price to break this candle for me to enter. My stop loss will be above this high and my take profit will be about down here to this liquidity zone. So we'll see. We'll just wait and see. If it break above this wick, I'm not getting in. If it breaks under this candle, I'm getting in. All right, I see what's going on there. You had like a little small supply up there that price is respecting. If I would, I'm not gonna trade it obviously, because I already found out what I'm gonna trade. It ain't gonna change why I'm gonna trade already. But I see why this is doing that. Price had this supply right here. Actually, that would have been an entry. If I would have actually took that trade, that would have been my entry right here. My stop loss is there, and my take profit is there. This is GBP USD. I'm gonna come back and check this and see if this actually plays out. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to check out Forex Factory and see if there's any news. Yeah, 8:30 news. Wow, I forgot to check the news. It's crazy how I forget to check the news. So apparently I forgot to check the news. I don't believe in being in a trade before news. This can be a zone that price may jump down from. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna come back later on, maybe around like 9 o'clock before market open or after market open, but we're just gonna watch this and see what happens. But I don't think I'm gonna trade this at all. And this is a decent setup, ain't gonna cap. It probably wouldn't have never given entry anyways. Soaking wet. I've been out there in that heat. I was down there blow drying the grass. Blow drying the grass. Blow drying the grass. I was down there blowing the grass with a blower because they came and cut the grass yesterday. So check it. I was getting ready to place an EU trade. Before I remembered, I had to go check Forex Factory to make sure there was no red folder news. And there was red folder news that was getting ready to drop within 60 minutes of me actually getting ready to place that trade. Mind you, if I wouldn't have checked Forex Factory, I would have gotten that trade because it gave a breaker candle entry. Anyway, immediately hit my stop loss. But yeah, I don't like to fuck with the news, man. Mind you, the first thing I'm supposed to do is check the news. It's the first thing I'm supposed to do, and I completely forgot. One thing also I gotta realize is that I became a lot more disciplined when it comes to being selective on trades. It's just my problem was accepting losses. Once I was to get a small loss, I wasn't walking away with my head high. I was walking away, walking away. I was walking away to that damn kitchen to get something to drink or something like that and getting right back in the market, overtrading, whatever. But I explained about that in my last video. Go ahead and click that video. I explained everything in that video, how I was when it comes to accepting losses. So check it. Also, another thing is, the apartment that was downstairs with my backpack, my laptop was in, where I just actually filmed that, they locked it. Now I'm upstairs on the 5th floor because they got some subcontractors downstairs that are working up here, and they unlocked all the floors up here. They unlocked all the doors up here. So I'm up here just getting some air. I'm not gonna do no more trading today. I'm just gonna be done. I was thinking about doing something on my phone, but I don't like to trade on my phone because I don't have to trade on my phone. I have my laptop, but my laptop is stuck downstairs. So check it, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Either I'm gonna do another demo trade, try to find another demo trade on this 10K free trial, or I may come back in the live market, or I may come back doing a 10K or 5K challenge. I'm not sure. I'm gonna think about it tonight, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. See you guys Friday tomorrow. So I just got off my bus. I'm finna get ready to go to McDonald's really quick. I'm just been craving some McDonald's for breakfast. I'm gonna get me hash brown and egg and cheese biscuit and a sweet tea. So I'm just leaving McDonald's. I'm dressing all the way down today because I know it's gonna probably absolutely be nothing to do at the job site. Man, you guys already seen that the job site is really done. If there's anything that I do, I'll be sweeping leaves or just sweeping the mulch inside the little flower bed or some stupid shit. Maybe have to get some out of one of the apartments or whatever. I'm gonna try to hustle a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. Cause at times there's new people that live in building too. I'll be able to help them move things in. If they put like a couch downstairs to go in the trash, I'm doing that shit on OfferUp. I did that on my last job site. People was moving in, they was getting rid of their old furniture, and their old furniture was straight. Took a picture of that shit, threw it on OfferUp. Bed rail, took a picture of it, threw it on OfferUp. So right now, I'm on my way to the bus stop, and I'm gonna finish my ice. It is. All right, I just got off the bus. I'm on my way to the job site. More than likely, my manager's gonna be late as well. I'm late because I decided to eat McDonald's for breakfast. But yeah, I haven't really came up with a conclusion of what I should do. Either a 10K account, a 5K account, or just fund my account live and just trade live. But by the time I get there, I've been to figure it out. But I ain't gonna lie, man. I really wanna just focus on taking advantage of being here because it's like, why not? Soon I'm gonna be going to a hard hat zone, and there's a lot of things that I won't be able to do that I can actually do right now. So I came up with the conclusion to basically take advantage of the job site now, and to have this broken hand so I can use it as an excuse to pretty much stay there when we all have to leave. I'm gonna see you guys at the job site. So I'm gonna go up here and make sure the 5th floor doors are open. Yesterday it was open, and usually they usually lock it. Let's go see if these doors are open. All right, so check this out. All the apartments on the 5th floor locked. I believe all the apartments are locked, but I have one way to get one of the apartments. So I got one of the windows on the 1st floor open. I'm gonna jump over the rail and get in the apartment. Hey, I'm actually from the hood, so I play smart. I just act dumb sometimes, but nigga know everything. I know the loopholes to everything, but. So check, you see this apartment right here? Watch this. Shut up, don't snitch. I told y'all I do this shit. Hey, if my manager watching me, dog, I don't even know if you subscribe to the channel because I once talked to you about my YouTube channel. Please keep this between me and you, bro. Like, we go way back, man. 5 years, bro. You know I ain't gonna mess nothing up, man. Just, I gotta do what I gotta do. Good morning, baby. All right, before I tell you guys really quick what I went on ahead and purchased, I want you guys to comment below what do you think it would have been the best idea for me to do. Trade a live account over $100, do a 5K challenge, or do a 10K challenge, or just focus on demo. Please put your answers in the comment section. Again, if you are watching this video and you think that it would have been best for me to trade demo, for me to fund my account over $100 live, a 5K challenge, or a 10K challenge, pause the video right now and put it in the comment section really quick, please. I just want to do something. I just want to try to see something. I just want to basically see you guys' perception on if you guys was in my position, what you would do. So put that in the comment section. I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds, and then we'll go ahead and tell you guys exactly what I did and why I did it. All right, so this is what I decided to do. And before I do it, let me cut this AC low because it's on like 80 something. It's hot as fuck in here. Put it on 70, put it on 76, that's 81 degrees. All right, so this is what I decided to do. I decided to do a Rocket 21 10K account, I use a promo code to get 55% off. If you're interested in the promo code, you probably want to check out their Instagram. They got a whole bunch of different promo codes. I got a 40% off promo code. So you guys probably want to go ahead and check that out. So also, another thing is, I logged into my MT4 because I did it with MT4. And the only pairs I'm focusing on is, once again, NAS, AU, EU, GU, and GJ. I seen it set up on NAS. I see it did that. I seen it set up on AU. I see it did that. I have GJ marked up and I have EU marked up. I'm not trying to rush any trades. I'm just taking my time on this challenge. But look, by looking at it, I think I may focus on possibly taking a trade on NAS 100. I have this already marked up. Now, for some reason, if price decides to come above this candle, I may go for a 1-to-1 and call it a day. That's if price does that. So literally, it will have to do something like this. It will probably come down a little bit more, blast up, retest this area, and then continue to go up. The reason I say retest this area is because right here, you have like this support resistance zone. So that'll be a confluence if it breaks up. So that's my 5-minute demand. Break above, I'll enter the break of this red candle. It will retest probably this zone right here because this is a resistance. It will act as a support and it will go for a 1-to-1 and I'll probably be done. And then I may also probably even go for a 2-to-1, even a 3-to-1. And the reason why, and possibly even 4-to-1. And the reason why is because if I probably go to a 15 minutes, there's imbalance right here. There's imbalance right here. So that's why I may possibly go for a 1-to-4 risk reward on this trade. But whatever it is, my stop loss will be my stop loss and my take profit will be my take profit. And yeah, that'll be it. Let me go ahead and just type in my my risk reward. That'll be 12.5 pips. So I'm gonna grab my calculator really quick. Oh yeah, and also yeah, I'm working on my thumbnail. Yeah, I do that. You did. I do my thumbnails from scratch, baby. So just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. I'm already working on my thumbnail. Stay tuned. Let's say 12.5 pips. That'd be like 12.5 pips. I risk 1%. That'd be $100. Divided by 12.5. And my lot size would be $8 a pip. So if it does give me an entry, my lot would be 0.80, like that right there. And that'll be it. But price would have to, if this happens, price would have to break above this candlestick right here. Once it break above this candlestick right here, I'm confident it will go up. And my stop loss will be under these lows. Because price is rejecting these areas several times. So we're just gonna wait and see. You even have a possibility of a trade entry. You have a demand right here, and I would wait for the candle to break above that candle right here, and I will enter for a 1-to-1. But long term, just like NAS 100, I could see price eventually going up to fill in this imbalance way up here. And if you look too, you also have a 45-minute demand right here. That price already reject off of, so long term I can automatically see AU going up. So that's why I have that set up on AUD USD. I have so much patience now. I remember at one time, I struggled with just waiting for an entry, bro. Now, bro, I won't even take a trade if it don't give me an entry. I'll be straight. Oh, once again, I forgot to check Forex Factory. Man. 8:30 news. All right, NAS 100 is about to give me my entry. It's 8:21. If I'm in this trade, I'm floating profit decent. I'm gonna put this trade at stop loss. I mean at break even. Hopefully it rallies up. And that'll be it, bro. E would have gave an entry right now. If I'd been focused on this, it would have gave me an entry right there. Because it broke that candle, stop loss literally right there. I could have went for a 1-to-1 or basically a 2-to-1. Or it depends what price is like heading to. So if I was to zoom out of EU, no, I put on here, let me see something real quick, EU. Yeah, price probably would have gonna feel that imbalance if I was to swing trade this, but not focusing on that at all. There's also that 15-minute demand too that it's bouncing off of. Yeah, but I'm not focusing on that at all. I'm focusing on either these two, NAS or EU. Let me just exit this. I already found out what I want to focus on. These two. All right, so you guys know I like to keep everything real and straight to the point. So there's a couple fucked up shit that just happened. For one, my phone, like the storage got full and it stopped my video. For two, I did something that was completely out of my trading plan. It was just fucking stupid. So you guys did see that I had my AUD and my NAS 100 demand set up. I told myself once NAS go above this area, I'm gonna buy. News came out. NAS went up and I took a buy and price immediately plummeted. I had my stop loss in place. And then I moved my stop loss down a little bit more. So instead of risking 1%, I told it was gonna risk a half, like 1.5%. So instead of risking 100, it was gonna risk 150. All right. But the thing is, I want to go back and trade, but I'm not. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to just take this loss. I'm going to come back to the market next week, man. I'm going to call that shit it, dog. It is what it is. Fuck. I acknowledge my fuck up. So now, I'm not going to place no trade 10 minutes before or 10 minutes after news. I should not be in no trade. I don't want to be floating profit. I don't want to be in negative. I don't want to be nowhere around news because I said this shit before in one of my other videos. My girl, my fiance, she's really good at having a trade in a certain position when news come out, and it always go her way. She never been in a trade and news come out and it go against her, ever. Every time I get in a trade and there's news getting ready to come out, it always stumped me out. But yeah, man, that's I'm done, bro. That's fucking it. I'm finished with that shit today. Hey, real quick, I'm gonna just show you guys the chart really fast, and I'm gonna just explain to you guys my thought process, how my emotions was, how my mindset and my psychology was. I'm just keep everything real and transparent to you guys, so you guys can actually see, okay, damn, Stretch, he a real one, bro. And then when I finally get there, you all gonna see like, damn, that nigga, bro, Stretch is solid. We seen him from the beginning. We seen him at work when he was trading, how he was explaining everything to us, just being real with us, you did? So watch this, I'm gonna check it out. All right, got my hotspot connected. All right, so this is what happened, right? So you remember this red line, this red line was where my entry was, right? Soon when I got in, it went straight to hell. And what's crazy, right? And I'm explaining you guys my thought process. Like I told you, my stop loss was here, and I moved it down here. You guys are actually gonna see it in the recording. When it plummeted, my mindset is, oh damn, it's falling hard as fuck. I'm finna get in. In reality, I failed to look at the higher time frame anyways, because I already told you guys previously that price is creating lower lows and lower highs. Let me just delete all this shit. I don't care about any of this right now. I just want to explain this to you guys real fast. And just explain to y'all why not sticking to your trading plan can fuck you in your ass. Low, you got a high, you got a low, you got a high, you got a low. And remember I said it's gonna have a high, gonna come up to like a 15-minute order block, and it did, it kind of grabbed liquidity. But then again, it came down, it created some more structure. It came up and it came down again. Like, so in reality, I didn't even stick to my trading plan because anyways, I should be waiting for sales. I don't even know if it gave a supply entry. Let me look on the 5-minute real quick. It didn't get a 5-minute entry, but bro, price was just, it was already going down. Oh, wow, I didn't realize this. Now I see on a 15-minute, probably if I would have seen it, I would have been okay. But I didn't realize right here, on the 15-minute, there was an order block right here on the 15-minute, bam. All right. Also, if I was to stretch this order block left, it acted as support in the past. So that shows that it was kind of, that's like, okay, fuck this shit. All right, demons are after me right now because my phone just stopped recording again. All right, so they opened up the door. Got a backpack there. Yeah, so because they were working in the first floor, so yeah. All right, so check it. My loss that I took, it is what it is. So I'm gonna just say this off rip. I'm open to constructive criticism. I am human, so just be mindful on the comments that you place. I will block your ass. I don't give a fuck. I will block you. Just be mindful. Tomorrow is my 3rd year trading Forex. I'm excited because most people don't make it this far, but I'm grateful that I'm actually able to make it this far. I've been locked in every single day. I took my losses. I took some wins. I got some withdrawals. I got some blown accounts. But so check it. With this loss that I took today, there's a couple of reasons that I acknowledge. And I think that every trade we should acknowledge what made us fail or take certain losses. We can always learn from our losses, and we can even learn from our wins. So check it. I was a bit anxious to place my trade. As soon as I bought my Rocket 21 challenge, I'm gonna have my Rocket 21 challenge code right here. That's for a 40% discount code on a 10K and a 5K account. If you are interested, there's the code. I'm not an affiliate. I'm just putting it out there. If you guys are interested in a 10K, 5K, 40% discount code, that's the code right there. I was just so anxious. I immediately plugged in my credentials inside my MT4. Immediately started setting up my trading view chart, and I was off rip, just ready to place a trade. I had my laptop screen recording, I had my phone ready, locked in, I'm recording and all that stuff. And I just wanted to place a trade. And I almost forgot to look at the news, Forex Factory, to see if there was any red folder news. And there were red folder news at 8:30. Unfortunately, as soon as the news dropped, I got into the market and market just went the other way. And it's a part of fucking around with the news. Stay away from that fuck ass shit. Stay away from CPI, PPI, NFP, and all the other red foldies. All right, just stay away from it. Another thing is that I fail to treat trading like a business. I've been hearing other successful traders be like, oh, you need to treat trading like a business. I agree. Not even a job, not even a side hustle, not even a get rich quick scheme. No, treat it like a business, because if you don't treat it like a business, you'll be so quick to make irrational decisions. And obviously, if you have a business, you want to just make sure your business don't blow red. Please be mindful of the comments. I'm human. I will accept constructive criticism. I read every comment. I reply back to every comment. If you don't believe me, check back. Also, I'm gonna give a shout out to everyone that has showed love and support on my previous video. I'm gonna tell you guys thank you. I really appreciate that. That's pretty much it. I just want to throw this out there to let you guys all know where I'm standing at right now. My phone was acting up when it comes to me recording, kept losing space because I forgot that once I delete my files from my phone, I had to delete it from deleted files as well, and I completely forgot about that because I was just so anxious, locked in on the market over here. But it is what it is, man. If you like this content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It will definitely help me out. Leave a comment down below. Tell me your thought process. Tell me like how would you have done certain things and whatnot. And that'll be it for this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, you already know what it is. Deuces.